This is a room tour of room 6321 at Mandalay Bay, Las Vegas. And this is a penthouse sky view suite. And I've really been spoiled with with the rooms I've had this trip. To start with, this is like a wet bar. You have that fridge is a chargeable items, but here is a fridge for your own stuff. Got a little TV in there, and then your half bathroom is in here. And your storage, or some storage, is here. Strange little design. You've got a bit of everything in that section. And then a really roomy living space. I like it, really do. Ultra smart. I like the tones. And actually got a really good TV with a nice sound bar and everything. I didn't get a strip view, but that doesn't bother me. So you got a view of the planes taking off, and also the pool, which is open and people are using it. It's a decent day today. You can sort of feel the summer coming round pretty quick. And then into the living area, lovely big bed. I mean, it really is immaculate, this. I mean, it's obviously slightly older than the Sky Suites, but I mean, I don't know, you'd be hard pushed to really complain about anything. Really nice. And you got a full-length mirror there. Your safe is in here with more hanging space. Same that side. And then bathroom in here. So I'm really impressed. Really impressed. And a nice shower. I guess the main Sky Suites bathroom is probably nicer, but I'm picking at hairs. Really, it's lovely, absolutely lovely. So really, it was the same deal as I got for the Sky Suites, but obviously I booked a panoramic suite and got upgraded. Here, I booked this off the offer off the app with 350 resort credit, which you can see a plane take off there. With 350 resort credit and 715 free play. Now, a lot of people were questioning with me as to whether I would get the second lot of free play, having just had 715 free play at Aria. And the answer is I did. No problem, no questions asked. It was added to my card and was available on the app once I'd checked in. Now, I did book the rooms under different months, and I was told this a while back, that that's the thing to do. So book one stay in one month and book the second stay in a separate month, and then it's different comp months. I've actually done it in 3 consecutive months because we're booked in somewhere for August under the same comp offer. So even if they reduce my free play down after this trip, I've already locked one in for August. So you've got to learn the game, you know. It's that's what it's all about, really, with gambling and players' cards and all the rest of it. Anyway, so this is a wonderful room. I'll enjoy the last portion of the trip here. I'll see you in the regular vlog.